Welcome to a world of digital marketing, where the landscape is ever-changing. To thrive in this competitive field, you must start with the basics. In this video, we'll explore the essential skills and strategies you need to succeed in digital marketing. I'll break it down into simple steps and provide real-life examples to guide you. So, what is digital marketing? It's all about promoting a brand, product, or service online. We use various channels, platforms, and tools to reach and engage our target audience. Some of the most common channels include search engine optimization (SEO). Think of it as making your website shine on search engines like Google or Bing. Pay-per-click (PPC). This is where you pay a fee every time someone clicks on your online ad. Social media marketing (SIM). Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn to connect with your audience. Email marketing. It's sending tailored messages via email. Content marketing, creating valuable, relevant content to attract and retain your audience. And analytics, which is the art of collecting, measuring, and analyzing data from your campaigns. The foundation of success lies in your strategy. It's like a roadmap for your online marketing. Here's how you create one. Choose a niche, select a specific market segment that interests you and has potential. Understand your audience. Get to know your audience's preferences and needs through research and buyer personas. Set clear goals. Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Choose the right channels and tools. Select the ones that align with your goals, audience, and budget. Picking the right products or services is crucial. To find them, identify your value proposition. Know what sets you apart from competitors. Research potential products or services. Use online platforms, keyword tools, and social media to discover relevant offerings. Evaluate product market fit. Ensure there's real demand for what you're promoting. Quality content is the key to a successful digital marketing campaign. Here's how you do it. Plan your content. Use a content calendar and outline to organize your content. Write your content. Craft clear, concise, and engaging content. Promote your content. Share it on social media. Use email marketing. Optimize for SEO. Try PPC, and explore influencer marketing. That's the essence of digital marketing. It's a journey of learning, creating, and connecting with your audience. If you want to dive deeper, check out the links in the description for more resources. Don't hesitate to leave any questions or feedback in the comments. Thanks for joining us today, and happy marketing!